So how many different types of values we can enter in MS Excel? There are only three types of values. One, numbers. Two, text. Three, Boolean values. Okay. Other than these three, your Excel cannot understand anything. Excel only understand three things in MS Excel. Three things. One is numbers. Second one is the text. Third one is the Boolean. Sir, what about the date? What about the special reference? What about the special symbols? What about the alphanumeric? These all will fit into all these three. Okay. Numbers. What is this? If I put 500 here, if I ask you a question, what is this? Is it a number or text or a Boolean value? Hold a question. Let me hold this question. Okay, you can answer yourself. Later, once I give the answer, then you can compare. Now, let's say I have written here Sharon, my name. What is this? Is it a number or is it a text or is it a Boolean value? What do you mean by the Boolean? Boolean means either true or false. True and false, we call it as a Boolean values. In MS Excel, the most important concept is Boolean value concept. In fact, in the entire engineering, true and false plays very vital role. In Excel also, especially when a situation we need to compare two things, then we'll get the result is a Boolean value. Now I have taken here three different examples. One is 500, the other one is 7, the other one is true. If I ask you, what is this 500? Is it a number? Maybe because since our school days, 500 is recognized as a number, we can immediately say that it's a number. But you cannot. Just because 500 is there, you cannot say it's a number. You need to look a lot of things inside. Now, at present, it's a number because by default, the alignment is towards right side. So, numbers always align towards the right side. So, the alignment is right. So, I can say it's a number because numbers by default align towards the right side. If you have Excel before you, you can also type whatever I am doing here so that you can cross check immediately. 7 is a text because the alignment is left. Boolean value is nothing but true and false. By default, the alignment of Boolean value is center, right? This is one of the very key tip. This is one of the tests we call. Of course, once you enter later, if you want everything, you can keep right, you can keep center, you can keep left. But I said by default alignment. Okay, now let me go a little down. I'll ask further questions. Let's say single quote 500. This we use to convert any number to the text, right? Generally, to convert any number to text, we use single quote before the number. If I enter, this you cannot say number because this is not just 500. It's having a single quote before that. That's the reason this is left alignment. Alignment is left by default. So it is a text by default text. Okay, later we'll try to understand how to convert a text into a number and so on. So when it is recognized as a text, now I can even keep 00500. Sometimes there may be a situation where I need to convert my number into the text, especially when I want to have a leading zeros. Generally, when you put leading zeros 500, the leading zeros will remove automatically. But when I put 00, okay, it automatically remove. But in this case, when I put a single quote and leading zeros, it remain as it is. This is also the default alignment left and it is a text. I hope you got some little understanding about what is a number, what is a text and what is a Boolean value.